Part 2, investigate the exploit with SQL. So now we're going to use SQL tools. In Part 2, you will use SQL to check the IDs, alerts and gather more information about the series of events related to this attack. Note, the alert IDs used in this lab are, for example, the alerts IDs on our VM may be different, so maybe different in our VM. So we go to the first step, open SQL and locate the alerts. So we go back to our security onion dashboard. Then there are SQL shortcut here. We double click and open. While it's open, we check the step 1A, launch SQL from the desktop, logging analyst and Cyberops passwords, enable all sensor and checks and click start. Okay, so there's a login for SQL. Username is analyst and the password is same, Cyberops. So it needs us to enable all the sensors. Select all, click start. Locate the group of K1B. Locate the group of alert from January 27th, 2017. According to SQL, what are this is the question. So we need to locate the alerts first from January 27th, 2017. So how do you want to locate? You can see here this date cannot be changed. So we just go to the tab of date and time, just click, and the arrow showing from top to bottom. So we can see there's a date 27th June and 27 January. So this is the first this is the last date of event, and we can find here there's a lot of 27th January. Yeah, until here this is the last. This is the first one. It shows 22:54 hours 42 seconds, the first start of the events, and the last one is 22:55 hours 38. Okay, so that's the dates, first and last. What we need to do is the question, according to the SQL, what are the timestamp for the first and the last of the alerts record within about a second of each other. So so we just take the time. You can see, we can find here. Okay, so yeah, we just read the time already. So the first is 22:54 hours 42 seconds. 22:54 hours. Oh, sorry. Double dot. 54. Sorry. 42 seconds. To the last minute happened is on 22:55 hours. 22:55 28 seconds. Yeah, this absolute the answer. So So we go to the next step 2, or done step 1. Investigate the alerts in SQL. So what we need to do is click the show packet data and show rule, show packet data and show rule checkbox to see the packet header, field information, and the ID signature rule related to the date. So what we need to do is click the show packet data first. Show packet data here, and then show rules here. So what we need to do, another one, answer the, okay, go to the 2B, select the alert ID 5.2. It's a point to event message ET current evil redirector leading to the EK July 12th 2016. Okay, we can find here 5.2 alert ID, sorry. 5.2 is here. So we have shown the packet and the rules here. So we answer the question according to the ID's signature rule. Which malware family triggered this alert? Which malware family triggered? You may need to scroll through the alert signature to find the alerts. Okay, so we need to find signature. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to scroll to alert signature. Yeah, if you can see here, it was created 2016 July 2016. It's on 12. The malware family is sudo dark leech. So it might be different from the answer. Oh, okay, it's the same one. So we can answer the question. Step 2C, we need to maximize the SQL windows and size the event message column. So what we need to find is look at the event message for each of the alerts IDs related to this attack. So this attack might be from malware family personal leak, dark leak. Okay, so if we can see for the questions of to see what, according to the event message in SQL, what exploit kit EK is involved. EK involved here, what we can do here, I just shrink all the columns, then I can get the message, event message bigger. So I just shrink. Okay, then I short back for the time frame from first 27 event, then until last 27th of January of 27 events. The last one, there's short of events here, but For the EK involved, we can see there's RIG, okay, RIG, but we have here leading to EK is evil redirector leading to EK. Is, I think you can answer the question is RIG. Yeah, you can answer this RIG because you need us for the it's EK exploit. Okay, so according to the event, EK is point to RIG. It's not the leading evil redirector leading. Okay. So the next question for 2C, beyond labeling the attack as Trojan activity, what other information is provided regarding the type and name of malware involved? Beyond labeling the attack as Trojan activity and others activity involved here, yeah, we can see here others activities as a Trojan that's involved here is ransomware. Okay, ransomware and DNS query. I think the Trojan. Yeah, it's still on this state. Yeah, this is Trojan ransomware. You can find another things here. Yeah, there's a Trojan ransomware. Name Kerber checking M3. So we type here is ransomware Kerber checking. Okay. For the last question for 2C, step 2C, by your best estimate looking at the alert so far, what is basic vector of this attack? How did the attack took place? Okay. How did that took place? For my opinion, it use HTTP. Yeah, HTTP to request the domain. To get into the website target. Yeah, you can say this for the basic vector for this attack. How did it take place? This event choose to use the HTTP address by using the HTTP request domain to get the web page. Okay, so this is my opinion. In my words. Okay. So we go to the step 3 in this part 2. View transcript of event 3A, step 3A, we go to right click, associate alert ID 52 event message, as we already clicked a few minutes ago. Select transcript in the menu as shown here. So we go to the 5, where is, yeah, 5.2, we go to transcript, we just right click, another one, we go to the 5.2, we right click there and we got the transcript. Okay, so right click alert 5.24 source IP address. Okay, so get the transcript as well. So what we need to do, we just capture this. So okay, so this is the question for the step 3A. What are the referrer and host website that are involved in the first SRC event? What do you think the user did to generate these alerts? What do you think the user did to generate these alerts? Okay, so we need to find the referrer and the host website. The referrer we can see in the transcript. Referrer, yeah, this is the referrer. This is Bing, and the host is homeimprovement.com. Okay, if we can capture this, I did not type this too long because it's too long, so I will capture this and this as well. Okay, so what do you think the user did to generate these alerts? Yeah, so because of home improvement is already attacked by malware, so when user use the Bing search engine, so it will point to homeimprovement.com, but not the safe web page. So when user click the homeimprovement.com as listed in the Bing search engine, it will go direct to the homeimprovement.com, which is already have been attacked, and the malware is already wait for the victim there. So so that's the answer. So we go to the point 5.24. We go to the 5.24. Generate the transcript. Another one. So what is the okay? So this question. Refer to the transcript. Answer the following question. What kind of request was involved? Request. There's a request. Get engine class, engine slash classes slash js javascript slash gle underscore js. Since the request. So there's another request. No, you can see here, this is the request to get http. Okay, get there. We cancel the get request. Were any file requested? Yeah, it's already here. We can capture. Yeah, okay. So the last question, no, the second last. What is the URL for the referrer and the host website? A referrer is improvement. The host is retrotip. Retrotip. Okay. So I think capture the one easy to get the answer. Okay. Last question. How the content encode? How the content encode? Encoding here. Encoding. Accept encoding. GZIP deflect. Okay. So we already capture. We going. Okay. Maybe this one I want to type here. Just a short one. GZIP. It's not very user friendly here. I think I let it here. We just paste the answer as we capture. So we go to the step 3D, close the current transcript window. Okay, now we close. Right click the alert ID 5.25. We go to 5.25. Okay, and open the transcript. Open the transcript. Oh, we need to click here. Okay, right click here, then we go to the transcript according to the information of transcript. Okay, now we answer the questions. How many requests and response were involved in this alert? How many requests? How many requests? How many requests? So so suppose how many requests here? If we can see here, you can find that get requests has 3 get requests and request and respond. Respond. You can define host. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Okay, this is 1. So it's three hosts respond for the request from tyu.bandme.com, and there are 3 gets. If you can see here, oops, if you can see here, one get respond to get response 3 2. I think this is 2 get response, or we can use the HTTP version 1.1. Yeah, it's our request 1, 2, 3. Yeah, this is 1. This is post. Okay, so we found the get request and post as a request. So we found the 3 requests and 3 posts with response. So we can type for this answer. Okay. What was the first request? The first request is cat. So it's cat. Yeah, so it's the cat until here. So I think we just capture this one. Easy to paste. Okay. What was the referrer? So the referrer is home improvement. We just capture all this answer for the question. Who was the host server request? Here is TYU, Ben me. Was the response encoding? Yes, GZIP. What was the second request? Yeah, the second request is post. We capture this also as well. Capture done. Where do you have the answer? So what was the third request? So the third request is long down here. Long, okay. Here we go. So we capture this or the answer for the last question. What was the content type of the third response? Content type. Okay, the third response content, as you can see, the content is okay. We capture this one as well. I'm going to answer. by paste, what were the first three chapter? The three characters of the data in the response. The data start after the last DST entry. What was the first three character of the data response? So show CWS first three character. Up this no this is just dot, so if you can see here it's just dot, so it was referred to the third response. If you can see, the first three character was CWS. Okay, CWS. Just check. CWS. You can see here. This is CWS. Okay. CWS is a file signature. File signature help identify the type of file that is represented different type of data. Go to the link website. Okay. Use Ctrl F to open a find box. Search for the file signature to find out what type of file was downloaded in the data. What type of file was downloaded? Okay. So we go to here. Then we find this CWS, and we found that the CWS is referred to flash.swf. So it's Adobe Flash type file. It is file of Flash. Okay, Flash file is file extension for type file is Flash. What application? It will download the swf.swf. The file type is Flash. Okay, so swf, okay, insert swf here, and the application is Flash. It's my Adobe Flash. So just yeah. Close the transcript window, right click the same ID again and choose network miner. Click the file text. How many files are there and what is type file? What is the file types? Okay, so we close. We go to what is this question? Okay, choose network miner. Choose network miner. Where's network miner? Yeah, network miner. So click the files tab. Okay, how many files are there? There are three. So I think we can capture this one. There are three. And what is the file types? HTML, HTML, SWF. There are two types. There are three. There are three files. HTML and SWF. So that's the answer. So we go to the part 3. So we go to the part 3 now. We have done the part 2. Then we're going to do the part 3.